Truck is opening soon. Let's buy some ingredients at the supermarket first. We need to buy these ingredients. Let's find them together. Great! We've bought all the ingredients. We can open for business again. The movie theater is starting the show. It's so crowded there. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Time to equip the magical item. Welcome! What would you like to order? I want this, please. Tofu and sausage skewer.
I'd like to have this.
Mushroom and beef skewer. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the skewers. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Tofu. Sausage. Mushroom. Beef. Let's skewer the ingredients you've just cut. Sausage. Tofu. Which ingredients should be put here? Sausage. Tofu. Beef. Mushroom. Great! All the skewers are ready. Let's add some seasoning to this ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Black pepper powder. Chili powder. Skewers are ready! Thank you! Let's give the food to the customers! Thank you! I heard there's going to be a surfing event at the beach. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! Slide the red button to lift the barrier. Welcome! What would you like to order?
I'd like to order this.
Cucumber and potato skewer.
Can I have this, please?
Pepper and rib skewer. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the skewers. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Cucumber. Potato. Green pepper. Rib. Let's skewer the ingredients you've just cut. Potato. Potato. Which ingredients should be put here? Cucumber. Cucumber. Green pepper. Rib. Great! All the skewers are ready. Turn on the switch and grill the skewers. Let bunny. Chili powder. Chili powder. Aha! Tasty skewers are ready!